So here we will perform signal addition and subtraction on these two signals x1t and x2t, which are basically rectangular pulse functions with different amplitude. Here it is 1, here it is 2. Here the duration is from -3 to +3, it is from -10 to +10. We will perform both signal addition and subtraction. So first we will perform signal addition. So the duration, it will be from same -10 to +10. Okay, the important points are these: -3 +3. Okay, so this is x1t plus x2t. Okay, so here the signal exists in between -3 and +3 with amplitude 1. Here the signal exists in between -10 to +10 with amplitude 2. So in between this duration from -10 to -3 and +3 to +10, x1t is 0. Okay, from -10 to -3 and +3 to +10, the value is in between them, it is 0, x1t is 0, and only x2t is there, amplitude 2. So in between these two intervals, -10 to -3 and +3 to 10, the value of the signal will be 0 plus 2, which will be 2. Okay, 2, which is this. And here also it is this. Now in between -3 to +3 it is 1, and here also in between, let us say -3, let this point is +3, the signal value is 2. So here the values will get added up. It will be 1 plus 2, which is 3. So in between -3 to +3 it is 1, this is 2, 1 plus 2, it will be 3. Okay, so this is the shape of the signal x1t plus x2t. Okay, so this is how you have to do it. Two rectangular pulse functions. This is of amplitude 1, this is for 2. From -3 to -10 and from +3 to +10, x1t is 0. So it was just 0 plus 2, which is 2. Then in between -3 to +3, x1t is 1, and this is -3 to +3, it is 2. So 1 plus 2, 3 between these two durations. So we got the signal x1t plus x2t. Now let us perform x1t minus x2t. So here we will perform x1t minus x2t. We will determine that. So the same principle. So we have to consider the amplitude at the respective instants. Now again, from -10 to -3 and from +3 to +10, x1t is 0. Okay, and only x2t is there. So in between that it will be 0 from -10 and here up to +10. So it will be 0 up to this, here is 2. So 0 minus 2, it will be -2. Okay, -2 here. From -10 to -3 and +3 to +10. -2. Then from -3 to +3, the amplitude of x1t is 1, here from minus 3 to plus 3 the amplitude of x2t is 2. So in between this interval, when we subtract, we perform subtraction x1t minus x2t, it is 1 minus 2, which is minus 1. Okay, so here it is minus 1 in between minus 3 to plus 3, minus 1. This is minus 1. So this is the shape of the signal, x1t minus x2t. From minus 10 to minus 3 it is 0, from plus 3 to plus 10 x1t is 0. So in between that duration, this is 2, minus 10 to minus 3 plus 3 to plus 3 it is 2. So 0 minus 2 minus 2, from minus 10 to minus 3 plus 3 to plus 10. From minus 3 to plus 3 x1t is 1, from minus 3 to plus 3 x2t is 2. So in between this duration minus 3 to plus 3, the resultant x1t minus x2t is 1 minus 2, which is minus 1. This is minus 1. Okay, this point minus 1. So this is the resultant signal x1t minus x2t. So here we have performed signal addition and modified signal subtraction operations on some signals, basic test signals and also random signals. So I hope you like this video, and please subscribe my channel Engineering Tutorial for more such videos related to electrical, electronics, instrumentation and communication engineering. Have a great day. Thank you very much.